Alright guys and girls, so today I'm not working at the shop on a car. I'm at the, let's just show you where I'm at. I'm here at this location. Yeah. So I went and put some tar on the roof today, and I come back by here and I've been bagging up just what I can without just getting filthy today, just trying to get a start on it. And this is crazy. That's like cat feed or dog feed. That's cat poop. Yeah, the cabinets are, I don't know what's going on with this thing. Yeah, so there's still two cats in here. I've tried to find them. I heard them take off. One went that way and the other one's like in that room somewhere. Yeah, I'm not trying to fight them right now. But this is where I'm at, dealing with this. Cleaned up a little bit of a path through there today. Got those drawers out. I'll clean that off and throw it outside. But I mean, that mattress is tore all to pieces. What is that about? I've not even got to the closets yet. So the ceilings are splitting. I don't know if it was a leak. I gotta figure out if there's a leak. This one in here is doing something. Where did I see something? Yeah, there's a crack right there. Gotta figure that out, see if there's a roof leak. Yeah, this thing is horrible, man. Yeah. What in the world? And this right here is the kicker. You don't have money to pay your rent. You got your sob story, but I have found absolute stacks. If you don't know what that is, that's jumbo bucks. And them are $2 a piece. And there's folded up piles of them. On top of piles. On top of piles. Yeah, I ain't sticking my hand in that shit. Stuff. You know what I'm saying? That stuff. I'm not sticking my hand in that stuff. Yeah, this is pretty bad. Generally, if I got an issue with the rentals, generally I've been taking care of it. I'll go to court. I'll stand there and I'll say my piece and do my file for my what you call it, my judgment. So that way they award me, you know, a couple $1,000s, whatever, if there's damages and all that. I called my lawyer. This is too much. Yeah, I had to call my lawyer because this is crazy. Knowing that, you know, the story goes that this woman that I was renting to and her husband, I ended up knowing the woman after I'd rented to them. I didn't even realize, you know, who she was or anything, but I went to school with her daughter. Well, her daughter got brain tumor, brain cancer, and they gave her a year to live. So she's got to make arrangements for her kid, and her husband's got to do all that type of stuff and get ready for that. Well, in the meantime, her other daughter ODs and passes away. Well, since she's renting from me, her daughter-in-law had a brain aneurysm and passed away. Now, her husband's supposed to have terminal cancer. She had to early retire to go to be able to take him to dialysis for his, you know, dialysis kidney treatments or whatever. And so they've been broke. So they got me, I ain't gonna lie, 7 months rent. 7 months, $500, and she paid some partials on top of that. So that's 4,000 or 5,000 just on rent and late fees and that type of thing. So yeah, this is what I'm dealing with. Yeah, my lawyers, I've already got an appointment Tuesday. It's like Friday. Tuesday at 2 o'clock, it's a virtual or phone call and discuss it with her. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. This is too much for me. This is crazy. So yeah, maybe we'll get some more footage just as we clean and get this stuff cleaned out. But I didn't have any of my guys working today. One was sick and the other ones are working on another project with other people. So I went and put tar on that roof and come by here to try to get a game plan, get some of it picked up out of the way. Saves me money the more I do. But this is bad. Yeah, so all right, this is where we're at. We're not turning wrenches, so you'll get to see another aspect of what we're dealing with right now. So every time we do this, it takes away from the car stuff. That's the part I don't like. And what is it? Self-employment's supposed to be the way to go. What was I thinking? I wouldn't have it any other way though. All right, guys, stay tuned. More of this mess. All right, we're coming down to the wire on this G35 setup. I'm actually right now, if you can see what I got going here, I got the exhaust on all the way, rear diff, transmission's in, drive shaft's in, bolted down. Got all that going on. Got the fluids topped off on the transmission. And what have we got here? Yep. Got the wheels on. Got to torque them down. Got the front clip on. Got the radiator in. We getting there. Alright. Got all the grill, the front radiator support piece on. Headlights in it. Got to top off the antifreeze. Got to have the computer flashed, hook up the battery. We should be in a position to crank this jewel. So, that's where I'm at with it. Like I say, I got to go. The guy that's going to flash the computer tomorrow after 5 o'clock. I've got the computer already out. I already primed the fuel pump, put the key in the ignition and primed it over. I didn't hear it pump because the fans kick on, I guess, if it's the wrong flash or the wrong key or something. The security light stayed on, so I never did hear the pump kick on. It may have, but if it did, I don't have any fuel leaks because I didn't see anything or smell anything. So I gotta have the computer flashed, and once I get the computer flashed, I should be ready to crank it. Like I say, top the coolant and stuff off. I'm still gonna change the seats and stuff out of that one. But that's about all I got left. Once I'll torque the wheels down and the coolant and the computer, we'll be ready to crank. Keep our fingers crossed. This is my first G35 engine change out, so we'll see how it goes. It seemed pretty straightforward though. Maybe it'll work out, but all right, we'll see how it goes. All right.